Alright, do something. Turn the rotunda. Alright, turn the shoulder or something. Or elbow. Okay. Oh, that's fine. That's just slipping because it's on a belt. Oh, looks good.
First, I'm gonna roll it.
So that's just the little markers turning. And the pitch is not changing. Okay, so that looks pretty good. It's not moving the pitch at all, huh?
Oh, it's just kind of janky, but...
Yeah. But now
Okay,
what
so
about...
that was the roll. That works perfectly in both directions. Now we go down.
And then the roll isn't changing at all, right? So it shouldn't be. Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Alright. It actually works pretty good with the game.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it's so sensitive. Alright, let's do your elbow. Oh, that's really nice. It's like very sketchy.
It's because the wood is literally bending. I see it.
It looks like you're just shaking it.
No, it's shaking me.
Alright, the gears slip, but I think Marco's aware of that.
That's why we're
And we're controlling it with the potentiometer.
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't know if this
Cool.
So yeah, now this is the slip ring, working with Lib Howell on the SJ2 board, controlled over an RMBX7 motor. It doesn't mean anything to you, that's totally fine. It's just me showing off some cool technology that we're working on here in the robotics team. Yeah, that's still pretty smooth though. It's way smoother than I thought it was gonna be.
The thing is stable. It should be moving. Actually, I don't know what we're moving. Two of them. And slowly tilt it. This won't be very good for the video, but it's okay.
That's the bottom. Yeah. Alright, a little bit back. Where are you going, Corey? Oh. Yeah, I think it's just lifted. At least you have attention.
Be gentle, be gentle.
Yeah, I'm gonna just drive it. This is full wireless. Yeah, nothing, anything interesting, but we just never had a footage like this. Can you switch modes or no? Sweet.
Yeah, I gotta get a video. I didn't do it last time. Okay. Nice.
That's pretty cool. Yeah.
Not bad.
don't let it run over itself. What happened?